Okay, so a little experiment. So these eggs, the box says, these are from Lidl by the way, not bought today, not even bought this week, last week. See by the date. Display until 24th of June, best before. There's the thing, best before 1st of July. So this is the newest box of eggs I've got. The other one, I've already tested them by floating them in water. They all floated. Sorry, the two in the other box floated. And then there were 6 in this box. In the box, same box. Okay, 4 left. All of these 4 plus the other 2 floated. I've now cooked 2 of them by frying them in this very pan, that little pan there, that one. The first one looked a little bit uneven. I didn't film it, so we don't know, because I can't prove it because I didn't film it. The second one looked fine. Neither of them smelt in any way sulphurous or, you know, for want of a better phrase, eggy. So we'll turn the pan on. Okay, pans are light, warming up. So we'll just choose one of the 4 remaining eggs. These are all, it's not cheating in any way, these are all dated 1st of June. Best before, so that's the thing, best before. This is the problem, best before. Best before. I'm trying to hold a camera, film an egg. Tricky. Upside down, that one. Best before 1st July. That one, best before 1st July. Okay, so either of those are good, or maybe not. Maybe dying from this. That one's 1st July. We'll probably go for the last one because why not? Building tension. Turning it around, turning it around, turning it around. That one's upside down. There's a line that's not have an upside down line. One here. Maybe you need to start this again. So, first egg, 1st July. Second egg, 1st July. Okay, first egg, second egg, third egg, 1st July. Last egg. So, for no better reason other than it's the last egg. Where's it gone? There we go. That one. Right, I'm going to put that down and go for the third egg. Because why not? This third egg. Okay, third egg. Best before 1st July. The hot oil is now heating up, right? We're not cheating at all. Now we know how people cheat. Well, that's a mess. Yep. Gotta say, that smells lovely. Really does. Shake them out. I know why people edit videos now. Well, now what I can smell The smell of egg cooking. Nice. Fried egg. Shell on my finger. And some handful over. Turn the power off. I would say that smell is exactly like a fried egg. I seem to have left eggs everywhere here. Okay, so if they're still okay today, bear in mind the date, best before 1st July, and today is not 1st July at all. Today is the Friday the 14th. No, Friday the 14th. Thursday the 12th. Okay, Thursday the 12th. Humorous joke on the calendar. Back to the egg. The egg is now almost set. Fully set. I mean, you wouldn't buy that, would you? But is it edible? Placing an egg. Okay. Yeah, that looked better before I started cooking, didn't it? Anyway. See him again. That smells perfectly fine. It really does. Cut it in half. Yep. Nothing wrong with that either. So even that amount seems a little bit too brave. Okay, let's try a smaller amount. Okay, there's the egg. Yeah. Honestly, if I bought that egg today and cooked it, and I ate the rest, without seeing that best before date, which everyone confuses with a use by date, I'd have said that's fine. Oh. I'm going to eat that. No, it's fine. It's nice. Pick up all the eggy bits. Apart from washing up, that's it. I kid you not, that is the same box. Best before the 1st July, and it is the 12th of September. 1st of July, to the 12th of September and that egg tastes absolutely fine. What more can you say? I've still got in this box, and I think based on that, the 3 eggs in there are probably fine for cooking. They're certainly fine for eating tomorrow because they're fine for eating today. There's not a single hint of sulphur or any bad egg smell or anything in there. They just smell like, they smell of nothing. They're just like eggs. They taste of egg. Just taste of fried egg. That's it. The worst bit is trying to make a video while cooking an egg and you make a mess. But you know, the internet doesn't know the answer to this at all, because it says on the box, it says display until and best before. It does not say use by. And these have just been kept, as you saw, on the counter in the kitchen. This counter. It's not a warm house, it's not a cold house, it's just a house in England, it's just a house. It's not special. They've not been in the fridge, they've just been, from buying in the shop, they've been put here, that little space, and stayed there until today. And I've cooked them and thrown some away in the bin. So there you go. You think you've got 3 weeks date on an egg? No, you haven't. Even the float test, I floated them, they all floated, which seems to be, according to the internet, means do not eat. But even though they floated, they didn't smell bad when I cooked them. The first 2 didn't smell the same. Of this box, the 2 that I cooked from this box, one looked a bit iffy, so maybe that one was gone, but there was no smell to it. It was just a bit uneven. Could have been that from when it was laid. I don't know. The other one looked absolutely fine, still in the bin, because, you know, we believe it says there best before, which kind of means the same as, in many people's minds, don't eat it after that, because it's not best anymore. We need some government guidance on this, or some more internet videos, or my videos maybe, Bald Foodie Guy, get onto this one. How fresh, what's the difference between a fresh egg best before, a fresh egg a month date, 2 month date, you know, when does it start floating? Someone must have done this science. Someone must do this science and put it on the internet. By the way, free range, obviously. Do not buy eggs that are not free range. If you can't buy free range eggs, don't buy eggs. But, you know, apart from the mess made trying to make a video, First July, that's 1st July is 4 weeks, plus we're now nearly 2 weeks, so that's 6, that's double the amount of weeks you're supposed to keep an egg. That's mad. And it tasted fine. I mean, Class A, it says there, Class A, but these are beyond Class A. They're still beyond Class A. What more can you say? Don't throw out eggs. Even when you've tested the eggs to see if they float, and they float, if the eggs float, they should be thrown out, according to the internet. But I've tested all of my eggs. All of the 8 eggs I had floated. And as you've just seen, I've just cooked one, eaten it in the last 15 minutes, and it tasted absolutely fine. It was fried egg on bread. Don't even get me started on bread. This bread is the best of both, right? It's reduced from, I can't tell, I can't read it. It's 30% cheaper, and it was absolutely fine still. Right, so don't buy the freshest bread. Buy bread when it's discounted at Lidl. It's still fine. If bread's got mould on it, don't eat it. If it hasn't got mould on it, eat it. It's not rocket science, guys. It's not. The eggs might be rocket science because it says best before, not used by. Okay, I'm going to put this video on the YouTube. It's a long one. It's not even a train. It's not a steam train. It's not a steam engine. It's me cooking and going, why am I throwing stuff away? If I put another video out tomorrow, you'll obviously know I'm not dead, so pressure on me to get up tomorrow and put videos out. I will, obviously. The earliest train that's worth seeing is going to be the 11:30 DB Cargo 4L45. 4L45. Yeah, 4L45. The 1L45 is just going to be a regular DMU. 4L45 is a Wakefield to Felixstowe container train. Hopefully something interesting. Okay, bye.